So on this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create your Stripe account. If you are struggling to create your Stripe account, I'm going to explain everything to you in details on this video. So just watch it and know how you can create your Stripe account. And if you are somebody who is in e-commerce niche, so you need to really watch this video because it's going to help you for your business. Or if you have an online business, you need to watch this video because it's going to help you to process online payments and receive your money faster and process the money into your bank account and use it to do whatsoever you want. So watch this video to know how you can create your Stripe account. Guys, like I said, I'm going to show you on this video how you can create your Stripe account. If you want to be making payments online, or you want have a business that you are running, have like e-commerce shop, or you have a business online and you want to be receiving money from your client. Stripe is one of the online payment methods that can allow you for people to pay in multiple ways. You can pay with Apple, you can pay with your MasterCard, your credit card or your debit card, and you can pay with this website which is called Stripe with your Google Pay. So that is why I like Stripe, and that is why I want to show you how you can create your Stripe account from anywhere in the world. So once you land on Stripe here, the first thing that you need to do, if you don't have an account, if you click on this icon here, it's going to prompt you here, and here is going to be asking you to log in if you already have your Stripe account. What you need to do is to click on the section where it said create account. So once you click on create account here, it's going to bring you to this page here. So what you need to do, you need to enter your email account here. So what I need to do now is to enter my email account. So I will enter this my email account here. Here I'm going to enter my full name. I will enter my full name here. And here I'm going to enter my password. So now that I've entered my password, you need to select your country or the country where you are living. And once you have selected the country, you need to click on the section where it said create account. Once you pop this up, you need to click on the section where it said save. So once you have created your account like this, it's going to pop this up for you to enter your business name if you have a business name. So I'm going to enter Power as my business name here. Power. Yeah. So now that I've entered Power like this, all I need to do now is to click on the section where it said continue, and it's going to prompt this up like this. So what you need to do, you can just upcheck this or leave it the way it is. So say based on your website, those options will work best for your business. You can see invoice and non-recurring payments. So non-recurring payment is a payment that you can receive once, so you are not charging them on a monthly basis. It's a payment that you can receive once from that person that you are trying to charge online. Click on continue, and on the next one is going to ask you some information here, the type of payment that you want to be making, and you can select them here. So just look at everything here and select the ones that is corresponding to what you want to use to be making to be using to charge your customers. So for me, I like the way they have done it, so I will just click on the section where it said go to dashboard. So right now from here, I will say congratulations, you have set up your Stripe account. What you need to do is to go and connect it to that your e-commerce platform to start using it to receive payment. So that is what you just have to do. You are testing in Sandbox, your place to experiment with Stripe function. So you can switch to go live account, because as it is now, your account is in demo account. So you can click on got it, and you can just click on this section where it said go switch to live account. So I will click on that. So here where it's saying switch to live account, is going to send you an email. So what you need to do is to go to that email that they will send to you. No, this one is from respondent.io. So this one is from Stripe. You can see it here, this one. So click on that, and your Stripe account will be verified. It will be seen this section where it said you should complete your profile. Click on that. And the next part, they are going to ask you for like your ID for verification. So once you have entered your ID, you are going to enter how you plan to receive your money when they pay you. So once you have entered all the whole details, you are going to submit it for review. So I will not go through that because I already have my Stripe account. I will stop here because I just want to explain everything to you. So they are going to ask you for your country, your IBAN, and they are going to ask you for some documents about you. And once you have entered everything, you are going to click on the section where it said submit, submit and review. So once you do that, they are going to review it. It takes like 24 hours. They are going to send you a message letting you know that your account has been approved or disapproved. So once your account has been approved, then you can start using it to make payment online. So that is how you can create your Stripe account for free. So you don't need to pay any money for you to create your Stripe account. What you just need to do is to follow the process of what I just explained, and you are going to have your Stripe account working, and you are going to start using it to receive money online. Right now, my own account is a dummy account because it's not active and I cannot use it. But I have my own main Stripe account just for the security purpose and for me not to get banned. So for multiple account issues and all those type of things. So that is why I'm not going to activate this. I'm just going to leave it as a demo account. So that is how you can create your Stripe account. I hope that this video is helpful. Just leave me a comment. Let me know if it's helpful in the comment section, and I will say thank you, and I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, a way on how you can make money online. If you want to learn how you can make money from print on demand, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now, and I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace out.